This is the SMEC machine, the NS2100SY. So what do all of these letters mean? NS, linear, S, subspindle, and Y, a Y-axis. So here we've got the main spindle, and then you've got the subspindle, and then over there you've got that Y-axis, so you can double your tools. So 12 stations makes 24. Well, inside the machine, it's got an internal parts catcher. This is actually new to SMEC within the last few months. And a chip conveyor, pretty standard. It's proven to hit materials harder than before. It's stable and pretty impressive for its rigidity. There's also an auto tool probe for your in-cycle tool measurement. I guess that's going to save you time. Chuck clamp, unclamp, chuck clamp, unclamp. SMEC. These are a serious contender in the fixed head market.